you pass, Rego?
Oh no. She's a duck's guts. G'day YouTube, it's Fred here from Clunie Garage. Well, it's been an amazing week. We passed over 2,000 subscribers. That's what the thumbnail and that's what this episode is all about. And as a bit of a thank you, we're going to do a compilation video where we're going to put all the best bits from our 95 odd videos over the last 12 months, put them all into a package, share them with you, because half of you people, you haven't even seen the channel before apart from the last video, and therefore all the best bits are in this video. Check it out. Well, it's humble beginnings here at Clunie Garage, and what started as a bit of a harebrained idea one January, escalated over the period of COVID and doing something with the boy, Fred Jr., and now we are where we are. But I tell you what, you look at some of those early videos and they are rubbish. Some of the camera work's pretty average, some of the work on the cars is pretty average too, and hitting Armcos at Wakefield Park and having offs on the racetrack, but it's all good. But yeah, we've come a long way with our projects. We've got our little go-kart here, we've got our VE race car, we've got our VF race car. We've obviously got our little Hyundai Getz race car as well. And next Wednesday, that hits the track, which will be an absolute handful, which will be good. So, yeah, this video channel is all about doing projects on your car on a budget so you can go out and have a mountain of fun. It's motorsport inspired, of course. We've got little track races at heart here on the channel. So we hope you enjoy all the video clips that are about to come up. First clip is all about Clunie. Rocky and rolly on the cold idle. So how'd you build this car, Fred Jr.?
Oh, we've got a piece from here and a piece from there.
Righto.
You ready?
Yep. Lumpy old cam in her. Quite a nice idle. Let you see the vibrations here. I'll put the GoPro on the back of the boot. And rattling around like nobody's business. The neighbours love it. So she sounds a bit different to the L98. Give it a slight little rev here. Oh, my Lancer! So you've seen it, you've heard it, and you're still asking questions? And of course, it's not all tools and hard work and racing on this channel. There's also some silliness as well. So we've put a few little clips together. Me and Fred Jr. mucking around. Check this out.
Oh, the Untouchables. Oh, good stuff. Stig! We talked about this. You got a big day of racing tomorrow. Get to bed. Put it down. Tuck yourself in. I only hit... Oh, you want your toy. Right, hold on. Just get it for you. Here you go. Here you go, Stig. Come on. Right, big day of racing tomorrow, Stig.
The next morning.
Stig! You're late! Ooh. Did you pass, Rego?
Oh no. What else is in here? Got a bit of weight to it, this one. Looks like a bloody blanket or something. Oh, it's a hooded. Oh my god, it's for a little... It looks like it's a... Which way's bloody up? It's a hooded Mustang hoodie for little kids. What's the bottom of that package here? This is the biggest thing I've ever seen. Oh, this one's going to have to go up on the wall to show you. Oh, looks like we've got some cups in here. A House of Muscle cup. Very nice. What's this one? Oh, that'd be great for Grandad on Father's Day or something. Back to back, just like our poster there. Looks like I've got a second mug there, so we'll put that with old Grandad. And what else is here? Looks like another banner. Oh geez, I'm not going to unwrap that one. It's all sealed up. To me that looks like a XA GT coupe. Oh my god, Frankie is going to have kittens. The best bits are always down the bottom. Check this out. We've got these House of Muscle magnetic poster banner hangers. It's going straight to the pool room. Well, this is a first. Fred's wrapped up in Ford colours here. Check this out. I don't feel very comfortable in this, but hey, horses for courses. Frankie's going to love something like this. But guess what?
Spin around, young man.
Easy.
Up there.
Yep.
Right.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Right, stop there for a second, Fred. I just got to fix something up. Stop.
Stop. Oh.
Ah, there's a pole there. Ready? Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. The bucket on the head episode, that was good fun. I actually got that off an old Hey Hey It's Saturday clip and had to reenact it. And I always end up in stitches after that clip. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this compilation. There's a bunch more videos to come. In the next couple of videos, we've got a racetrack day coming up for the Gets. The fuel system goes into Clunie. The cage and the kit out, and Clunie will hit the racetrack after that. Our restrictor is getting pulled out of our go-kart here, and that will turn this thing in from, it's pretty wild at the moment, but it'll go up to, we're turning up to 11, not 9, 11. But yeah, this thing puts hairs on the chest, I'll tell you what. So that's going to be good fun. We've got some coilovers that have just turned up for the VE. They're going in to match our semi-slicks. And then we've got our, hopefully some Wakefield race car days coming up very shortly. There's our new semi-slicks. We like to look at those. And we've got a bunch more of other stuff on, you know, how-to content and all the rest of it. So join us on the channel as we hit 10,000 subscribers. Catch you later.